How to tag someone on Instagram story after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on Instagram story after posting. Now if you open up the Instagram app, you can look at your story by tapping on the Your Story option at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see I've mentioned our users here. However, if you want to mention someone else or tag someone else on your story after you have posted the story, what you want to do is simply tap on the more option that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen at the story. Tap on it and you'll get the option to add mentions. You can see add mentions option just above the story settings at the bottom of the screen. Tap on add mentions and you can add your other followers or other friends right here by tapping on the username, or you can search for a particular person by tapping on search and then tap on add, and you can see the mention has been added. So this way you can tag someone on Instagram story after posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.